Southwest Airlines just decided to increase their credit card fees, but to sweeten the deal, they also gave us an amazing limited time offer of earning 120,000 Southwest points by spending $10,000 in 3 months on the Southwest Business Performance Credit Card. This offer allows us to earn a Southwest Companion Pass with just one business card sign up bonus. I'm Leen with Leen on Travel, and I've got two different techniques to share with you on earning your very own Companion Pass. The first is to earn it ASAP this year. You'd want to do this if you're like most of us and cannot spend $10,000 in 6 weeks. The other reason why you'd want to go this route is if you want to use your Companion Pass for a January or February 2026 trip. The only downside is it will end December 31st, 2026, or 1 year sooner than the second option. And the second option would be to earn your 2026-2027 Companion Pass by spending $10,000 on the card between December 3rd and January 15th. With this more intense method, you'd get buy one, get one free airfare through December 31st, 2027, 1 year longer than the first method. So, what is a Southwest Companion Pass? With a Southwest Companion Pass, you get a companion to fly for free with you every single time that you fly for nearly 2 solid years. You simply need to acquire 135,000 Southwest Rapid Rewards points in a single calendar year to qualify. There's like no trading in your points to earn the Companion Pass. Rather, just earning those points in one calendar year is just what qualifies you for it. So, how do you do this? To lessen the sting of raising this specific credit card fee by $100, Southwest has elevated just their business performance card sign up bonus to 120,000 points. You have 3 months to spend $10,000 to earn this jackpot of points. Note that this will only work if you have not already earned a sign up bonus on this specific card within the past 24 months. It will also likely not work if you have more than 2 or 3 Chase business cards open right now, but more details on that later. So, to earn your 2025-2026 Companion Pass with $10,000 spend in 3 months, apply today for your Southwest Business Performance Credit Card. You're going to spend $10,000 on this card within 3 months. Since this is a larger minimum spend, don't forget to factor in end of the year spending like property taxes, estimated taxes, holiday gifts, and you could even ask trusted family and friends if they have a large purchase coming up that you could foot the bill for and get reimbursed by them. So between the $10,000 spend and 120,000 point sign up bonus, you've got yourself minimally 130,000 of the 135,000 points that you need to earn that Companion Pass. Because you're a Southwest credit card holder, you also automatically receive 10,000 points towards your Companion Pass every year. So you're now over 5,000 points at 140,000 points. Congrats! Your credit card and sign up bonus points stay in pending status until your statement closes. And then after your statement closes, your points will move into posted status. And then in 2 to 4 days, they'll be transferred over to Southwest. If you click My Account at southwest.com, you can track your points progress towards your Companion Pass under My Rapid Rewards. Once you have 135,000 Southwest Rapid Rewards points posted in 2025, you'll have your Companion Pass, which again lasts through December 31st, 2026. Now, the other option is to earn your 2026-2027 Companion Pass with $10,000 worth of spending between December 3rd, 2025 and January 15th, 2026. You are going to wait to apply for your Southwest Business Performance Credit Card until October 15th. You could wait until the 20th or 21st if need be, but Chase has been known to pull elevated offers a day early. While the credit card offer gives you 3 months to spend $10,000 to earn 120,000 points, you don't want to earn those points until 2026. So applying for the card October 15th means you'll have until January 15th to spend $10,000. You'll need to earn 135,000 Southwest Rapid Rewards points in 2026. Any spending that you do before your December statement closing date does not count towards 135,000 points. But we can modify the payment due date, which changes the statement close date, so that you can start spending on the card December 3rd. Now, once you get the card in the mail, go to Manage Account, request a new due date, and change it to the 28th. So between December 3rd and January 15th, if that's your 3 month mark since getting approved, you'll need to spend $10,000. While you can spend on this card as soon as you receive it, I would not spend much at all as one, you do not want to hit your 10,000 sign up bonus in 2025. And two, I just want something small to start generating statements to ensure that the statement closing date change is successful. And again, between the $10,000 spend and 120,000 point sign up bonus, you've got yourself minimally 130,000 of the 135,000 points that you need to earn that Companion Pass. Again, because you're a Southwest credit card holder, you also automatically receive 10,000 points towards your companion pass every year. That 10,000 companion pass bonus will hit your Southwest account like the second or third week of January. So once that does, you're now over 5,000 points at 140,000 points. Again, congrats. And then again, your credit card and sign up bonus points will stay in pending status until your statement closes. And then after your statement closes, your points will move into posted status. And then in 2 to 4 days, they'll be transferred over to Southwest. And if you click My Account at southwest.com, you can track your points progress towards your companion pass under My Rapid Rewards. So once you have 135,000 Southwest Rapid Rewards points posted in January 2026, you'll have your companion pass, which again lasts through December 31st, 2027. Okay, so business card guidance. I mentioned earlier that you're only eligible to earn this card sign up bonus if you have not already earned it on this specific card in the past 24 months. Chase Southwest Business Card rules do allow you to hold both the Business Premier and the Business Performance at the same time. You're also allowed to earn both card sign up bonuses. This is in stark contrast from their tighter personal card policy, which states that you can only earn one personal card sign up bonus in a 24-month period. I also mentioned that you are likely not going to be approved for the Southwest Business Performance Card if you have more than 3 Chase business cards open right now. Chase has really tightened up their approvals on their business cards over the past few months, and while there's no policy that says that they won't let you have more than 3 business cards opened, there are strong data points that show that it's difficult to get approved for a third, let alone nearly impossible for a fourth Chase business card. And yes, this includes not only their inks, but their co-branded cards like the Southwest business cards. So my friend over at Katie's Travel Tricks, love them, had a massive survey among us travel hackers and discovered that you have an 81% chance of approval of Chase business cards if you don't have any business cards with them. Your odds then go down to 73% if you have only one Chase business card, 59% chance of approval if you have 2 Chase business cards, and just a 16% approval rate if you already have 3 or more Chase business cards with them opened. Thus, having 2 or less business cards open from Chase significantly improves your odds of approval. Your odds of approval go from 16% to 59% when you have 2 or less Chase business cards. So to get around this, you want to consider closing your existing business cards if you've had them longer than a year. So then you'd wait like 2 to 3 weeks before applying for this Southwest Business Performance Card before the October 22nd offer end date. So what should I do next year? The question always arises on closing the card after the 1 year mark. You don't want to pay the sky high $299 annual fee again. While you certainly can close it after your annual fee post next year, I would personally just downgrade to the Business Premier card after a year. I've got another video that analyzes the business performance versus the Premier cards that you should definitely check out next. But long story short, the Premier Personal Card is the best bang for your buck card. It has an annual fee of $149. You get 6,000 anniversary points worth about $90, which is like bringing your annual fee down to like $59. It gives you a free standard seat at booking and allows you to pick a free preferred seat within 48 hours of your flight. You also get a 15% off flight discount each year. And finally, since earning referrals also plays a crucial role in my own earning of a companion pass, I'd be ever so grateful if you'd apply using my referral link, which is linked in the video's description. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to stay in the know with travel hacking and everything Lean on Travel.